cool. We're on a little train ride. So neat. This is cool. I like this. And Michelle's over here. Hey Michelle, how about the little walk to town?
Everybody.
All right.
Cousin Jack is my name. Driving the train is my game. If you want to stand up, that's okay. Hold on to something. But don't shake hands with the cacti. They're not that friendly. Enjoy your train ride.
This is so cool. You know, the cacti at the house so small, Michelle, compared to the... Like, these are just jumbo. But the house is so tiny, though. Wow, this engine's struggling.
Boy, there's some rain coming down up ahead, folks.
Oh, it's black up there.
Looks like I could probably take off my rain slicker. I think the rest of the day is going to be sunny and nice.
Okay. I love that painting right there. That's so cool. Like natural.
Native Americans called that mountain Thunder Mountain. Yes, and they believed that an angry thunder god. You better not go on his mountain.
Oh.
If you do, he'll turn you into stone.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see the bad people standing on the very, very top? I see them. Those are the hoodoos.
Oh.
Spanish conquistador Coronado.
Oh, Michelle, look at that cactus got a little hole. The wooded woodpecker got to the woodpecker.
Some of his scouts never returned, and Coronado labeled the mountain Mount Suspicion.
Oh.
Today we call them the Superstitions. I believe there's a connection there.
Oh, this thing was going like 5 miles an hour. Yeah. Jacob the Dutchman. When asked where he was from, he said Deutschland. Oh. And they all thought he was saying, I'm a Dutch man. He was actually a German. Anyway, the fellas were looking for his gold mine, and they stumbled across their own. A vein of quartz rock laced with gold. They followed it 60 feet down into the earth. They tunneled 60 feet to the north and hit a pocket they called the Mormon Stoke. Took out about 40,000 ounces. Wow. Then they got greedy, or they decided to dig deeper, and that's when they hit water. They flooded the Mammoth Mine about 3-4 years in of working it. Wow. It had to be abandoned. Everybody left town with no work, and the post office closed. Well, back then, if you lost your post office, you lost your town name. It was official. Goldfield became a ghost town. Oh.
My boss knew all this. He came in with pumps. He pumped out the water. He saw some gold, but he also saw all them cars coming and going on Arizona's first historic highway.
Oh.
And one very hot day, he decided it would be a lot smarter to build the ice cream parlor. So he done that. Then he spent 2 years building the mine tour. Then he put a train around his town, and we
been giving tours now for over 30 years. I hope you find mine to be educational and entertaining. Oh, and tippable too. If you like your ride, don't be afraid to tip your guide. Hang on, folks, we're gonna keep moving.
It's cool. It's cool. Oh man, I'm just that's me sounding when I have a couple of beers. That's Julian would be like in 10 years. Look at that tiny train up there, Michelle. Tiny train up there. This is cool.